Welcome back to Smart Living. Today, we are looking at some incredible home organizers and smart solutions that will completely transform your living space. Let's jump right into these life-changing products. First up is this multi-layer shoe rack and cabinet. It's a heavy-duty, stable organizer that keeps your footwear dust-proof and perfectly displayed. Whether it's in your entryway or bedroom, this practical shelf is the best way to keep your home tidy and your shoes in great condition. Tired of rain leaking through your windows? This window water blocking bar is the perfect solution. This weather strip acts as a windproof ceiling strip and insulation board for your balcony or sliding windows. It's easy to install and keeps your home dry and insulated during heavy storms. Add some luxury to your room with these waterproof vanity mirror lights. These LED strips feature a hand sweep motion sensor, so you don't even have to touch a switch. Just wave your hand to light up your makeup area. Keep your snacks fresh for longer with this mini thermal bag sealer. This portable device quickly seals plastic food bags to prevent air from getting in. It's small, easy to use, and a total game changer for your kitchen to avoid food wastage and soggy chips. Finally, we have this versatile folding hanging spice rack. This adhesive organizer requires no drilling and comes with hooks for your kitchen shovels and utensils. It's the ultimate space saver for your kitchen, keeping your spices and tools organized and within reach at all times. That wraps up our list of must-have home solutions. These gadgets truly make staying organized effortless. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Living for more smart home inspiration. Thanks for watching.